All right, so this is the mat I'm using to actually protect my beautiful table. So I use a silicone mat, not just for oil spillage, but also for 3D printing. And right now we're gonna take some stuff off that we're gonna sand and we're gonna fix. So right now, here we are making modifications to the actual model. And I don't have to worry about cleaning this thing up because I just pick up and go. It's one of those things that's very simple. So right now I'm trying not to damage this thing. Here it is. And would it work? We're gonna find out. So this is pretty much how it's gonna go. All right, how easy is it to clean up after? Look at that. Just fold it, take it to the trash, and no spillage, which is perfect.